Hi guys, welcome to my channel Silage. Making a good makeup kit can be quite challenging and overwhelming with thousands of makeup products to choose from. But don't worry because if you are just starting out and looking for a good guide to sort things a little bit, I'm here for that. So today I'm gonna show you all the makeup staples from the very renowned and affordable brand Faces Canada. The first step is to moisturize your skin, and for that you can use Faces Canada Hydro Face Moisturizer. This moisturizer is specially designed to increase skin hydration, treat dry and sensitive skin, improve skin tone and texture, and mask imperfections. It is enriched with SPF 15 and natural ingredients such as soya bean extracts, shea butter, and patchouli oil. Its anti-aging ingredients activates elasticity and makes skin soft and smooth. You can buy it for just rupees 449. Second step is to fill in your pores and create a smooth base for your foundation to lay on. And for that you need Faces Canada Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer. It is a very lightweight and quick absorbing primer. The formula is very matte and light. It mattifies the skin very well. Foundation glides like silk on top of this primer and it lasts for 5 to 6 hours. The price of this primer is just rupees 539. Third step is to apply foundation, and for that you can use Faces Canada Weightless Mini Foundation. It is a lightweight foundation which delivers a natural matte and flawless finish, provides sheer to medium coverage, it glides effortlessly on skin and blends very easily. It stays for 4 to 5 hours and it is water resistant, but to some extent it does not melt with sweat. Price of this foundation is just rupees 149. Fourth step is to conceal all your imperfections and look flawless with Faces Canada Light Ultime Pro Concealer. It is designed to provide medium to full coverage. Lightweight and creamy formula instantly covers all blemishes, dark spots and dark circles, giving a gorgeous even toned complexion. It brightens skin and gives a luminous finish. Its creamy consistency glides very smoothly and it is a long wearing concealer and it is crease proof too. The price of this concealer is rupees 524. Next step is to set your face with a powder, for which you can use Faces Canada Weightless Matte Compact. It is formulated with SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter. It effortlessly melts on your skin, giving a very fresh look. Finely milled and super smooth texture which provides sheer to medium pigmentation. It lasts for 3 to 4 hours and it has a beautiful faint smell and there are no fallouts. Price of this compact is just rupees 149. Next step is to contour your face, apply blush and highlight. You can try Faces Canada Ultime Pro Face Palette for that. It has bronzer, blush and highlighter. The bronzer is great for a sun-kissed glow. The blush gives a natural pink flush to cheeks with its smooth and mild texture. And the highlighter gives a nice metallic glow to skin. It is insanely pigmented and has smooth and buttery consistency. The price of this face palette is just rupees 539. To give your eyes some beautiful color, you can use Faces Canada Magnetized Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette has the perfect set of colors with which you can create infinite number of looks. The 6 richly pigmented shades have a velvety smooth finish. No fallout is there. The price of this palette is just rupees 374. If you are into eyeliners, then you must try Faces Canada Ultime Pro A Matte Made in Heaven Ink Eyeliner. It gives a bold jet black finish. It has a pen-like structure which is ideal for creating elegant fine line in a very precise way. It is waterproof, transfer proof and smudge proof. It stays for up to 24 hours. It dries very quickly and it is paraben free. You can buy it for just rupees 299. Mascara can lift up the whole makeup look in just a second, and for that you can use Faces Canada Black Ultime Pro HD Whopper Lashes Mascara. Easy application due to small bristles. One coat of it gives amazing lengthening effect and it can curl your lashes very beautifully. It lasts for up to 12 hours. It is waterproof and dries within seconds. Cost of this mascara is rupees 374. Undefined brows can destroy any makeup look no matter how good it is. You can use Faces Canada Ultime Pro Brow Defining Pencil and get those brows on fleek. It glides smoothly, it is transfer proof, long lasting, smudge proof, and it has an excellent color payoff. It has color pencil on one side and wand to brush your brows on the other side. Price of this brow pencil is rupees 374. For your lips, you can try out Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick. It is intensely pigmented and long lasting. It is weightless and comfortable on your lips. It is enriched with almond oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E to moisturize your lips. It is available in 30 stunning shades to suit every occasion on your calendar at an affordable price of just rupees 224. An extra product for this video is combo of Faces Canada Magnetized Kajal and Royal Maroon Weightless Matte Lipstick for just rupees 334. So guys, that sums up your beginner's makeup kit and this video too. You can buy all these products from the link given in the description box of this video and get up to 40% discount. I hope you all like this video. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Pinterest with the link given in the description box. Thanks for watching.